Scott, scoreless ka nung first game eh. Anong nangyari doon? Naisip mo ba na mag-bounce back talaga po?
Well, yun nga, I need to be accountable that first game, no? But there's no excuses.
11, C5.
Okay, sige. Wala excuse na, no? Siyempre, yung mentality as a player, need to bounce back and yung pinaka-importante, we get the double tonight. So, I mean, start pa ng conference, so magiging better pa kami throughout the conference.
Nabanggit kasi ni Coach Tim na parang ngayon pala kayo talaga nakukondisyon dahil hindi ganun kahaba yung naging preparasyon ninyo. Kaya na kayo. Alam yung kumusta naman yung mga past few
Well, each and every one sa amin are really working hard sa practice, no, to get in shape and of course to get momentum. Everything starts in practice, so good thing yung medyo malayo yung pagitan ng games namin from the first day. So nagamit na naging fuel namin yung first game. So hopefully makakuha ng momentum, especially back to back kami. So,
Thank you, Scott.